Hey, have you checked out the MYOB Advanced Business Manufacturing Edition?
No, not yet. Can you give me a quick overview of what it's all about?
Well, it's an ERP system specifically tailored for manufacturing businesses. It streamlines your operations and brings everything under one roof. It handles everything from managing your inventory, production, and even your finances.
That sounds amazing. But is it user-friendly?
Absolutely. MYOB Advanced is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It's perfect for manufacturers, even if you're not an IT expert.
I like what I'm hearing. But what makes this manufacturing edition so special?
This edition is customized for manufacturers, offering features like demand forecasting and production planning. It helps you optimize your supply chain and make smarter decisions.
Can it adapt to our unique processes?
Absolutely. It's highly flexible, so you can tailor it to your specific workflows. And it provides real-time insights, so you always know what's happening in your business. No more guessing games.
And support? If we need help?
That's where Business Hub comes in. We provide top-notch support and implementation services, making sure your business is in safe hands.
Okay, David, I must say, I'm impressed. How can we learn more?
Visit businesshub.com.au or call me on 1-300-733-071. We look forward to hearing from you.